Today, we're taking these bare hoop house frames and transforming them into winter growing powerhouses. This isn't about building, this is about finishing. Covering these hoop houses is the key to unlocking a whole new season of fresh produce, even in the coldest months. Let's get started. The first step is preparation. Lay your plastic out on a clean surface. Double check your measurements. Your plastic should be wide enough to cover the entire frame with room to secure it on all sides. Overestimating is better than underestimating here. From there, pull it gently but firmly over the top. Avoid windy days for this step. Even a light breeze can turn this into a battle. Once the plastic is draped over, secure the edges using wood battens, clips, or staples. Work from one side to the other, keeping the plastic tight and smooth. Creases might seem harmless now, but they can catch wind and cause long-term damage. Repeat the process for each hoop house, taking time to adjust and smooth the plastic as needed. To finish, walk around and check for any loose edges or gaps. These can let in cold air or pests, so sealing them now saves headaches later. Use weatherproof tape or additional clamps if necessary. Now that the covers are on, it's time to put these hoop houses to work.
Well, this is a 30 by 96 foot hoop house right here we're building today. We've just pulled the plastic on it. We're about to get ready to pull the plastic on another hoop house here. It's gonna be beautiful. This is gonna be our nursery space. It's gonna be heated. It's gonna be brilliant.
Kale is a cold, hardy option that thrives in low light. Spinach grows quickly and is packed with nutrients. And sprouts and microgreens are perfect for small spaces and quick yields. Covering hoop houses isn't just about extending the season, it's about building resilience, feeding communities, and staying connected to the land. If you're new to this, don't stress. It's a learning process, and every hoop house you cover gets you one step closer to mastering winter farming. If you found this helpful, share this video with others who might be thinking about winter farming. And don't forget to subscribe.